Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you how to assemble the TWIN BUSCH truck tire changer X-00T. Your truck tire changer is delivered in a single package. Remove the staples on the lower part of the box with a chisel and a hammer. Once the staples have been removed, you will be able to lift the top. Take out the control unit. And the ramp. Remove all the loose parts from the transport pallet. In the equipment parts box, you will find the manuals next to the accessories. Read the manuals carefully before continuing with the installation. Here we can see the delivered parts and accessories. 2 screws have to be removed to loosen the machine from the transport pallet. Afterwards, you will be able to lift the machine with a suitable lifting sling. Mount the protective cover. Before connecting the machine to a power outlet, the included 3-phase plug must be installed. Please note that the following electrical installation should only be performed by a qualified electrician. Fill the tank with suitable hydraulic oil. Please note that the oil is not automatically included in the scope of delivery. The first test run can be performed now. To mount the ramp easily, we will move the slide with the mounting arm away from the clamping jaws. The ramp is fixed to the machine using the 3 pre-mounted screws. Tighten the screws. A final test run can be carried out now. The installation of your truck tire changer TWX00T is now complete. Before using the machine, make sure all screws are tightened properly and that oil is not spilling out of the machine. Depending on the frequency of use, the slide rail and the swivel joints should be greased regularly. A regular oil change is also important for a long service life of the machine.